Asking AI to write an entire literature review, requesting a full discussion paper, or asking it to construct arguments you have not yet developed yourself. AI may assist your research process, but it must never replace your thinking. If you cannot trace a sentence back to a source, a concept, or your own analysis, that sentence probably doesn't belong to you and it doesn't belong to your research. As a student, undergraduate student, master's student, PhD student, you have to devote time. Don't depend on just the summary, because that will be shallow knowledge. If you cannot defend it, do not submit it. What if you are pointed to a particular paragraph and asked, why did you make this claim? You should immediately know the reasoning behind it. If you cannot explain it, then that sentence probably entered your document without genuine intellectual ownership.